AI is transforming the technologies that we use, and it's becoming increasingly essential to be able to leverage artificial intelligence and machine learning. Learners in this specialization will delve into the fundamentals of these technologies through 4 courses in AI, statistics, machine learning, and deep learning. You will hear lectures from the superb faculty from the University of Pennsylvania's School of Engineering and Applied Science, and you'll learn through hands-on assignments in Python. You can gain the skills to work with AI algorithms and understand the mathematical and algorithmic underpinnings of almost any machine learning problem, from classical AI to modern deep learning. This specialization will give you a taste of the material used in Penn engineering degree programs, like Penn's new Masters in Artificial Intelligence.